Hi, folks. I'm Bob Schrupp, physical therapist.
Brad Heineck, physical therapist.
We are the most famous physical therapists on the internet.
In our opinion, of course, Bob.
Today we're going to show you, Brad's going to show you the best brutal abs and core workout with a stability ball, also known as a physio ball, exercise ball. It's going to flatten your stomach and strengthen your back. It's a great one to do in the home.
Right.
All you need is a ball.
Right.
And it's fairly quiet too, right, Brad?
Oh, Bob, it's very quiet.
Oh, by the way, if you're new to our channel, please take a second to subscribe to us. We provide videos how to stay healthy, fit, pain-free, and we upload every day. Also, if you get a chance, go to bobandbrad.com, go to the giveaway section. I think we're on break today, right, Brad, Mike? But we'll be starting tomorrow again. We'll be starting a giveaway, and you'll have to check it out.
Yes, because we don't know what it is right now.
Yeah, go to Bob and Brad on Facebook. It'll be pinned to the top of the page on Sunday and the rest of the week. Go to Twitter, Instagram, or TikTok if you want a 60-second version of our program every day. Just kind of a little synopsis.
Yeah.
So,
Bob, we're going to work with the ball today. It's the beauty of the ball.
The beauty of the ball.
You can't go wrong with an exercise ball. I think they're the most underused piece of equipment for the price. You can do them at home, and the kids like to play them out in the yard too.
Yeah, I mean, for like $20, you get a ball.
Right.
I mean,
and
so
cheaper than that oftentimes too.
Yeah.
So let's get right to it. We're going to do 5 to 10 reps of these.
I'm just going to step off to the side.
Yeah, Bob will throw in some rude comments every now and then.
Yeah, that's right.
5 to 10 reps. If you want to be more aggressive, do more repetitions. I use the ball. I've been using it for core for many years now. All these exercises I've done, I don't do them all right now, but I have done them all at one time in my life. So let's start out. We're going to start laying down. Get a
lying
ball.
Down.
Lying down. I'm sorry. Now, I always use shoes on when I do these, and I usually have short pants, so I have some direct skin on the ball. It just makes some of the exercises easier.
You're able to grip a lot better.
Yeah, you don't have to. And this is the reason why. This is nice because I have a back issue, so this doesn't bother my back at all. I'm going to go around like this, use my shoes right here with the heel to grip in, and I'm going to start with a little abdominal workout right here. And boy, this is a nice way to start.
Yeah, this is one, Brad's going to strengthen. When he say core, we say abdomen and the back. It's almost like forming a natural belt.
Exactly.
To support his back.
I did over 10, but there you go. You do 10 or as many as you want. Now this one, I go here and I plank up and I think about tightening my glute muscles and my stomach muscles real tight, and I hold it for a second or two and go down. I don't go all the way to the floor. That time I did, and I just relax. And 3, and I have my fingers here. I want to feel my abdominals kick in real tight.
Some feedback.
Yep. And I'm working those glute muscles. And that's a good way to help with your hamstrings. That's another video, though.
Now, you can almost be rest assured that this is good for your back because Brad has a bad back, as he mentioned. And so most of these are really going to be safe for you no matter what. Now, look at this one. He is going up, but he's keeping the back flat up against the floor.
Right here. And my head is not doing this.
Right. He's not curling forward. He's going straight up.
Nothing going on with the ball right now. We're just holding it still.
Right.
Okay. And we're going to go back and do another set of these. 10 of these. Feel that, it's kind of fun. You can feel that stomach tighten in. You can feel your six-pack in there. Yeah, I'm not going to.
If you're a beginner to this, you might start off with less reps too.
Exactly right. That's a good point, Bob.
Brad makes this look easy because he's been doing it for years. He's real comfortable with it.
Now we're going to grab the ball. Squeeze it between your legs so you get some muscles in the hip muscles building. We're going to go up like this and up like this and meet elbows to the knees or go in that direction. You don't have to make contact. When you're starting out, just do what you can. Either way, you're going to really work upper and lower abdominals.
Now, should this hurt your back, you would not do it.
Right.
And that's with any of these exercises.
Right. Chances are this isn't going to.
No, it shouldn't.
No.
But with any of these, we're not looking for increased pain. Never.
And again, 10 more of these. And I'm not counting exactly, but someone get hung up on that.
I attribute a lot of your success, Brad, with your back, with a grade 2 spondylolisthesis, because he's done these. He's really kept his back. I mean, for a while, Brad could no longer.
Right elbow to left knee, Bob. I got to tell him what I'm doing here. So we get obliques, and you just work this 10 to 20 times. And you take a little break. Yeah, like Bob was saying, these have really done wonders for my spondy and
Well,
keep
for
my
a while,
activity
Brad
up.
couldn't run. He couldn't run anymore.
Nope.
And he's back to running now, so you really got to give him credit.
Okay, so now we're going to work the back muscles. That's part of the core that a lot of times gets missed. Lay on the ball, and I just go like this. I rest my forehead on my fists or my thumbs, and I just going to work single leg extension. My leg is straight. I'm not flipping it around. It's straight, and I'm working up. Good form. 10 on one side, then I'll do 10 on the other.
And this doesn't bother your back.
No, not at all.
I find that interesting.
Because the ball is supporting that
Sure,
part of the
and
back.
you're a little bit rounded. Yeah.
And I go here, and then I do these. I'm not doing these to bulk up my back. I'm doing it for
Toning
strength.
and strength.
But if you want, you could grab some weight and go like this. It's much harder. You'll
Sure.
find after you work on the ball for a while, where you position your body on the ball makes a significant difference on the intensity. So you adjust it for you. Okay, now you go here and you do both legs at once. Significantly harder than one leg. Mike, can you hear me?
So he's working the glutes and the erector spinae of the low back.
Yep, multifidi, a lot of muscles right up
Yeah.
on the belt line. Now, after that, I go up and I rotate so we incorporate more of those posterior muscles in the back. You can bring your hands up like this. Again, with my spondy, this is all I do, and it makes it work very well for me.
If it hurts in one direction, don't do it.
There. Okay, take a little break. We're going on to the next set.
Yeah, well done.
Now, this is kind of like planks on a ball with some motion. Keep everything tight in the stomach, straight as you can do it, and do a walkout. We're just going to do 5 of these. You can certainly increase your repetitions if you want, all the way out. You know, if you're new to this, you may only walk out to your knees and back. Whatever works to you the best. Don't overdo it. But again, challenge yourself. Okay? The next one. You get out to here and you do tighten up the stomach, roll. Now, if you've got some problems like maybe a herniated disc, you probably aren't going to do this one. If you've got a healthy back, you're really ready to do this.
You're also going to find out Brad's making this look much easier than it is.
Yeah.
This is something that's going to, I could show you how I would do it, and you'd say, okay, it's harder than it looks.
Yeah. This is, you do need to be patient with this. You may not get through this whole program. If you worked with the ball before, it makes a big difference.
The ball is not stable. You're having to work to keep the stability of the ball even.
Now, this is a real nice one to get those transverse abdominis and your obliques. And it works really well. If you want to make this more easy, you simply go here. If you want to make it more difficult, you go out here. It's significantly more difficult. And we're going to get some harder ones yet. So I'm going to go back to here so I can talk while I demonstrate these. Okay, now this one is a little more. Can you see me, Mike? Okay.
Yeah, still got you.
I'm going to lift one leg up and a single knee to the chest.
Look at this animal.
Well, Bob, the title says brutal abs, not wimpy abs.
That is brutal.
Plus, you get a little hip flexor. We're working that core, hips, upper back, posterior, anterior. I'm only doing 5 on a leg with these because we got some harder ones to come up.
Well done.
Okay, almost done. Here's the hard ones. All right.
You ready?
Oops, I'm sorry. Ball here. Grab it with your feet. Hands up here. It's the infamous ball pass. And the higher you go up the reach, the more difficult it is. Make sure the ball touches on both sides. Hands go up. You know, you can do 50, 100 of these. Then you're really in good shape. I'm kind of joking about that. Next one.
How many do you, Brad?
Though I used to do about 20 of those.
Oh, sure.
I don't do those on a regular basis.
Yeah.
This is a nice one. I call it ball running. You just put it between, hold it up, and go back and forth like this, 10 to 20 reps or whatever your stomach allows. Really working those core muscles.
You're not going to have to work out tonight, Brad.
No, this is real good. Now, we're going to go back to prone. This was, when I first started doing ball, this was my favorite one of them. is we go to here. Instead of doing this, it's a little bit more challenging. You keep your legs straight up to here and down. I call them teepees because you put your body
Sure.
into a teepee. Oh, yes. Oh, this is fun. Yes, this is the brutal
He's
part.
a glutton for punishment.
Strong like bull.
Strong like Brad
Okay.
and bull.
Next one. Up on your knees like this, and then you make circles with the ball. Oh, yeah.
Stirring the pot.
Yep, stir the pot with the knees. 5 one way, 5 the other way. And then we've got one more. This last one, for me, I think is the hardest one. Really gets the title. This thing
Has
is
been hard enough.
one knee and then stir the pot.
Oh, wow.
It really
Bravo.
nicely.
Bravo.
So, you may not do all these the first time, but keep working with it. Make your ball be the friend. It's the beauty of the ball, and it will strengthen your core and your abs and give you what you want for health. Your 6-pack, your 12-pack, whatever kind of pack you want.
Boy, I'll tell you, my abs are hurting just watching you, Brad.
I haven't done this for a while, Bob.
All right.
When I'm 6 years old, I'm going to hold this. Oops.
That's right. He does his balancing act.
Yeah, but this is not part of the hair.
Look at that.
There, it's fun.
My hat's off to you, Brad. Thanks, everybody, for watching.